We often hear the term probiotics tossed around. Some of us even take probiotic supplements because we have been told that they are good for us. Yet, many people don't actually know what probiotics are or how they are beneficial. Probiotics foods are essentially foods that contain live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your body and can help to restore healthy gut flora. Probiotic foods to restore healthy gut flora. Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt has many health benefits and is one of the best options if you are seeking to restore healthy gut flora by incorporating more probiotics into your diet. To get full probiotic benefits, look for yogurt with live cultures. Yogurt made from goat's milk is even higher in probiotics than yogurt made from cow's milk. Many yogurts contain multiple probiotics, including Lactobacillus bulgaricus, Streptococcus thermophilus, and Bifidobacterium lactis. Number 2. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented dairy product, similar to yogurt. It is typically made from goat's milk fermented with kefir grains, a combination of bacteria and yeast. Kefir is high in both lactobacilli and bifidus bacteria, and it also has the benefit of being antioxidant-rich. Kefir, unlike yogurt, is usually consumed by drinking. It also contains high levels of vitamin B12, magnesium, calcium, and folate. Number 3. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, is often hailed as a superfood. Certainly, sauerkraut is a good source for probiotics because it contains a number of live cultures resulting from the fermentation process. Some research suggests that sauerkraut may help alleviate some symptoms resulting from allergies. 25. It is also high in vitamins A, B, C, and K. Number 4. Kimchi. Similar to cabbage, kimchi is very spicy, fermented cabbage. In traditional Korean cuisine, kimchi is served as a side dish accompanying many meals. It has all the benefits of sauerkraut but also contains calcium, iron and potassium. Kimchi is one of the best choices for probiotic foods. Number 5. Pickles. In the Western world, we often use the term pickle to refer to pickled cucumbers, but any pickled vegetable is a good choice for probiotics. Pickles are a fermented food, naturally containing good bacteria, while the brine used to pickle vegetables feeds these bacteria, especially when the brine is at the right concentration of salt.